Have you ever wondered what it would look like if you could swap your face with someone else in video, GIF, or photo with realistic results? Today we explore Deep Swap AI, what makes it work, what it's good at, where it fails, and a surprising way people are using it beyond just memes. Deep Swap allows you to swap your face in photos, videos, and even GIFs. No limits on creativity. With multi-face support, it's perfect for group shots, ensuring no one is left out of the fun. Expect high-resolution results even in challenging scenes. It adapts to lighting and expression seamlessly. And the best part? Fast image and video processing means you won't be waiting around for results. So why is Deep Swap so powerful? First off, it's incredibly easy to use. The creative potential is limitless. You can turn mundane photos into hilarious content. It's fun and highly shareable, making it perfect for social media virality. The visual realism is spot on. From lighting to expressions, the swaps feel natural. Let's look at some use cases. How about creating hilarious meme content for your social media? Or perhaps for role-playing, impersonations, or just some cinematic fun with friends? It's also catching on in marketing and advertising campaigns to engage younger audiences. And let's not forget personal use. It can be a creative way to tell family stories. Now, for a surprising twist, some have used Deep Swap for historical storytelling. Imagine putting modern faces on old photos. It can spark interesting discussions. Educators are finding ways to illustrate identity and facial recognition with this tech. However, like any tool, it has its limitations. Quality of source media is crucial. Ensure clear, well-lit faces for the best results. Avoid challenging angles. Multiple faces and motion blur can complicate swaps, so watch out for those. And let's not forget about ethics and consent. Always consider whose face you're using. Now let's talk about future possibilities. Imagine even more realistic video swapping. Longer durations for video swaps could be on the horizon, transforming content creation. Better support for complex scenes would only enhance this already amazing tool. As we move forward, we'll likely see tools designed to detect misuse and deepfake abuse. In conclusion, Deep Swap is a powerful tool for creativity, fun, and storytelling. Remember to always be mindful of its limitations and ethical implications. If you could swap faces with anyone in any movie or moment, who would it be? What creative idea do you want to try using Deep Swap AI? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.